Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another video, and today I am back with another DIY fake nails, easy, quick, and affordable. So here we begin to push back the cuticles. And by the way guys, thank you so much once again to all the love and support I get down below and all my lovely subscribers. So here I'm just choosing my full cover nail tips, and by the way guys, I always recommend and speak on these full cover nail tips. They are gel nail tips and they're currently on sale right now on Amazon for $9.99, 500 pieces. I definitely recommend you guys go and check that out. So here I just begin to buff the nails, and what this does is that when you apply the nail, it just looks so seamless with the cuticle. So this is a very important step. Here I'm just using some Elmer's glue as a peel off coat, and remember, do not use this if you want your nails to last. If you want your nails to last, always remember to prep and prime and then apply your base. So after that, I will be applying my base coat, and this one's from Gershon. And as I apply the base coat, I will be curing the nail under the UV lamp as well. After I've applied all my nails, now I'll just begin to file, and I'm pretty much barely filing because I already like the shape of the nails. So I'm just going to be lightly filing and shaping the nail. And I'm also going to be going in over top of all the nails to eliminate all the shine, since I will be applying my own top coat. So I will be doing an ombre look on two of the nails. So here I just grabbed a wedge and I'm applying both colors, and then I will show you guys here how I apply it to create a beautiful flawless ombre. these are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.